Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a seafood crab boil for you. First things first, we're going to add in our seafood broil seasoning. We're going to add the whole packet. We did 3 gallons of water. You can get by with 2, but we did 3. Add your seasoning. Next, we are going to add 1 whole big lemon. You're going to squeeze the juice out. Get all the juices in there. And then you're just going to put the whole lemon right inside there. Okay, next, we're going to add our potatoes and corn. Be very careful. Try to use tongs because you don't want the water to splash up on you and burn you. Set them down in there. We're going to let this cook for at least probably 3, maybe 4 minutes until you can stick a fork in your potatoes. Now we add our corn. You can do as much corn, as much potatoes as you want. We're doing 4 big corn, about 5 to 6 gold potatoes. Those seem to be the best potatoes. Those are the ones we prefer, but you can do gold or red potatoes. Next, we are going to add our onions. Each boil is different. We're going to at least do 2 onions, whole onions. And then we're going to do some celery also. This one's a mixture of onions and celery. We're going to add that whole thing in there as well. We're going to do 1 more. Get all that in there. Next, we're going to add garlic, the best part. We're doing 1/2 cup. It just depends what you guys prefer. I guess you can never have too much garlic. We'll let that cook and we'll get right back to you. After that cooks for a little bit, we're going to add the shrimp and the crawdads, and then we'll add the crab a little bit later. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes. Now we're going to add our shrimp. And we're going to put some of this garlic butter seasoning on the shrimp. Give it some extra flavor. This shrimp here also comes pre-seasoned as well. So we've got our seasoned shrimp. I'm going to add that in. Again, we're going to use the tongs. And we're just going to do this for 5 minutes as well. All you're doing is mainly warming everything up. Add our shrimp in. Okay. Mix it around a little bit. And we'll get right back to you. Let's take a look first. Looking good. Okay, 5 minutes. Here we go. Hi guys, we're back. Now we're going to add our calabaza sausage. Add some of that in here. Next, we're going to add our crawdads. Try to use your tongs, and we are using 1 pound. Again, you can use as much as you want, as little as you want. It's all up to your preference. Next, we're gonna add our crab. Make sure you guys clean your crab before you put it in here. It'll taste much better. So we're adding 3 crab. Pretty good sized crab. Next, we're going to add 6 eggs. Now you don't have to, again, it's just a preference. Make sure you use your tongs so they don't break as they're going inside. And again, so you don't burn yourself with the very hot water. And one more. Let that cook. We're gonna let that cook for 5 minutes. And then we'll get right back to you guys. Hey guys, almost forgot the most important part. Add 1 stick of butter in there as well. Gotta give it some more flavor. 1 stick of butter. Alrighty, now it's time for the grand finale. Time to take the crab out. Pull it off the burner. Add it to your pan or whatever you guys prefer. I suggest using a pan. Look how good that looks. Delicious. Alright. Now time to pull everything else out. Corn. Definitely recommend having tongs and a dipper like this. To pull out the little stuff like the shrimp, the crawdads, potatoes, the sausage. You can even use the tongs for the potatoes. Your eggs. Alright, now we're going to use the dipper, make it a lot easier to get everything else out. Looks delicious, huh? Definitely recommend having a nice big pan like this. It's mainly a turkey pan that we're using. And it's working out perfect. We'll go ahead and skip the rest of this out and get right back to you. Okay, we got everything out. Now I'm just scoop in a few scoops of the juices. Get that flavor back in there. Hey guys, now we are at our finishing touches. Now we're gonna try it. See how good it turned out. Definitely gotta try the crab first. All right. Don't forget the melted butter. Best part. Mmm. Guys, this is perfect. Really good. Highly recommend it. I will drop a link below of the crate that I had gotten. The seafood crate. The seasoning is amazing. Really good flavor. Got a little bit of a kick to it. Other than that, this is perfect. Really recommend this seasoning. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be happy to bring you guys more videos. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, guys.